Hello all, today we are starting new method of finding recurrence relation equation. So the method is Master's method or Master's theorem, we can call it as. What is the first of all we will see what is the general format of the Master's theorem. General format of the Master theorem is T of n is equals to A of T of n by B plus F of n. Fine. So if you observe minutely, it is same as our logarithmic equation relation format. Fine. So here don't get confused by using which method we can solve the equation. Fine. So here clearly mentioned that for this numerical in the university clearly that mentioned that we have to solve this numerical using the Master's method. Fine. So if it is not mentioned, then you have to solve this equation using the logarithmic equation method. Fine. So first of all, there are the three cases of the Master's method. Fine. So case 1 is f of n is less than n to the power log of a to the power base b. Fine. And case b is if f of n equals to the value of n to the power log of a to the base b. And case 3 is f of n is greater than n to the power log of a to the base b. Fine. So here first of all we will see what is a, b and what is f of n here. Fine. So a is t of n is equals to, if it is given a into t or t of n by b, then first value before the t is called as a, then divisional value for the n is called as b. Fine. And then f of n value, rest of the values whatsoever given to us or rest of the functions whatsoever given to us, they are called as f of n. Fine. And the condition is given as where a is greater than or equals to 1, b is greater than 1, and f of n value must be the positive value. Fine. So here we will see how to calculate f of n value, how to calculate n to the power log of b of a. Fine. So here some of the numericals are given. So we will solve this numerical for. Fine. So t of n is equals to 9t n by 3 plus 1 plus n. Fine. So here how to solve it? First of all we will find out what is the value of a, what is b, what is f of n. Fine. So here observing and comparing it with the general format, we will get the value of a. So what is the value of a? A is here 9. A is 9. What is the value of b? B is here 3. And what is the value of f of n? F of n is here n. Fine. F of n is here n. Fine. So how we will get it? How we will get the three cases value? We have to first of all find out n to the power log of a to the power base to the base b. Fine. And then we have to compare it with the value of f of n. Fine. So here first of all we will calculate n to the power log a to the base b is equals to n to the power log a is here 9, base is here 3. Fine. So by putting it into the calculator, we will get the value of n to the power log of b log of a to the power to the base b. Fine. So what is base here? Base is here 3. And then what is the value of a here? A is here 9. Fine. So a is here 9. So we will get value is 2 here. Fine. So n square it is. N square it is. Fine. So we will compare it with f of n. F of n value is n here. And n what is the value of n to the power log of b log of base b to the log of a to the power to base b? It is n square here. Fine. So which value is greater? The value n to the power log of b of a is greater. Fine. So what is the case 1 here? What is the case that we will get here? We will get the case 1 here. Fine. So by using case 1, by using case 1, what value I will get? I will get the relation as t of n is equals to theta of, what is the n to the power log of a to the power to base b? It is n square. Fine. So I am writing here directly. So this is my solution for this method. Fine. So next question that we will solve here, that t of n is equals to 3t n by 3 plus n. So we have to first of all calculate the value of a, b and f of n. What is the value of a here? A is here 3. What is the value of b here? B is here again 3. What is the value of f of n here? F of n is here n. Fine. So I will get it n to the power log of a to base b is equals to n to the power log of 3 of 3, that is a value is n. So here n to the power log of a to the base b is, we are getting n, and f of n value is here. That means n f of n value is equals to n to the power log of a to the base b. Fine. So which case I will get? I will get case 2 here. Fine. So I am getting here case 2. Fine. So which recurrence relation I have to follow? I have to follow case 2 recurrence relation, that is t of n is equals to theta of n to the power log of b a into log n. Fine. So what is the value of n to the power log of a to the base b? It is n into log n. Fine. So this is the solution for my second numerical. Fine. So I am solving here the third numerical. What is third numerical, my? That is t of n is equals to 9t n by 3 plus n cube here. Fine. So I will first of all write down value of a. What is value of 8? 9. Value of b. Value of b is 3. And value of f of n. F of n is here n cube. Fine. So I will get here n to the power log of a to the base b is equals to n to the power log of b log of a. A is here 9, to the base b is here 3. Again by using calculator I will get value of log of a to the base b as n square. Fine. If you don't know how to use calculator, here 2 logs are given. Fine. So but here log of base value is another thing. That's why we will write here the log where we need the base value. Fine. We have to write down here the base value. What is the base value of it is? It is 3 here, and then we are getting the 9. Fine. So what is value again? 2. Fine. So what I am getting here? I am getting here n square. Fine. So here I will write it down. So by comparing f of n and n to the power a, n to the power log of a to the base b, by comparing it, which value I am getting higher? I am getting f of n value is higher. That's why I have to follow which case? I have to follow here the case 3. Fine. That is f of n value is greater than n to the power log of a to the base b. Fine. So I am getting here the recurrence relation as t of n is equals to theta of f of n value. Fine. So t of n is equals to theta of, what is the value of f of n? It is n cube. We need to write here which case we are applying here, case 3. Fine. Remember, in the master theorem always whatever the value on comparing, whether it is f of n or n to the power log of a to the base b, whatever value is greater among these two values, then we have to write that values in the recurrence relation. Fine. So or in the final solution. Fine. That value which is greater, n to the power log of a to the base b, we are writing here. And in the case 3, which value is greater here? F of n value is greater here. That's why we are writing t of n is equals to theta of f of n value. Fine. If the two values are equal in the case 2, like in the case 2, if two values are equal, then we have to write n to the power log of a to the base b into log n. Fine. So these many ways you can solve the master's method. So it is the again I am writing again I am repeating that Master's method looks like a logarithmic relation equation method, but we have to, if in the question that is given already insisted that we have to solve it using the Master's method, then we have to solve it using these cases. Fine. If it is not given there or already not written there in the question that we have to solve it using the Master's method, and it looks like the Master's method in the logarithmic equation, then we have to solve it using the logarithmic equation method. Fine. So we will continue the next numericals on the Master's method, and they are not this much like simple numericals, they will be the tough one. Fine. So thank you.